Nurses, doctors and ancillary staff of Kudjip Nazarene Hospital can now access a separate home and a clean, sustainable water system. 16 standalone houses and 4 duplexes were already occupied by these staff. Kudjip Hospital Administrator Dr. Scott Dooley said before the project started, there were 32 houses at the hospital which did not have access to clean water supply. With the project, they have shower blocks and access to clean water, which will allow staff to live at the hospital area so that the hospital can run. Dr. Scott proudly encouraged his staff to continue their mission to care for the patients and the people of Papua New Guinea.
We're a great hospital because we have the best doctors and nurses and community health workers, because we have the best ancillary staff, because we have the best project team. You guys all make it such a great place that people want to partner with what you're doing and what you've invested your life in.
Kudjip Nazarene Hospital has been providing quality healthcare services to the people of Jiwaka and the Highlands region for over 50 years. Most of the doctors there are specialists from overseas. Donor partner from the Australian Embassy, Christine Starrock, told the hospital staff that the hospital is known to them for its reputation of being one of the best hospitals in PNG.
These new staff houses we're opening today will ensure that Nazarene Hospital is able to continue to attract and maintain the best staff to work here and serve the patients of the hospital and the people of the Highlands.
Meanwhile, U.S. Ambassador to PNG, Catherine Ebert-Gray, also shared the same sentiments and commended the hospital to have a quality laboratory, best doctors and nurses, and for providing quality health care to the people of PNG for the past 50 years.
The American Schools and Hospital Abroad focuses on building education and health infrastructure throughout the world, and I'm pleased that this first project that they've done in Papua New Guinea is right here in beautiful Jiwaka.
The Fair Housing and Water Improvement Project took 1 year for the project team to complete 32 houses and clean water supply to the staff houses as well as the nearby community. 3 of the houses will be for 3 new specialist doctors who will be coming from overseas to work at the hospital. Basenata Yama, National EMTV News, Mount Hagen.